Have you ever wondered if superpowers exist in the real world? Well, folks, it's time to cast aside those comic books and superhero movies because the real world is teeming with extraordinary creatures that possess powers far beyond the realm of ordinary. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of the sky, Mother Nature has bestowed some of her children with abilities that seem to have leaped straight out of a science fiction tale. These aren't your run-of-the-mill creatures. We're talking about animals that can regenerate their entire body from a single cell, insects that move faster than the blink of an eye, and creatures that can even defy the very laws of aging. We're about to embark on a journey into the world of real-life superpowers, a world where the lines between fantasy and reality blur, where the extraordinary is ordinary. In the following scenes, we'll unveil 5 different species, each boasting an awe-inspiring superpower that sets them apart, not only from us humans, but also from the vast majority of their fellow Earthlings. These creatures may not wear capes or masks, but their abilities are no less spectacular or significant. As we explore each of these fascinating creatures, we'll delve into the science behind their extraordinary abilities and see how they've adapted these powers to survive and thrive in their respective environments. We'll see that superpowers aren't just the stuff of comic books and movies, but an integral part of the real world we live in. From the incredible regeneration powers of the axolotls to the unseen speed of the Dracula ant, the immortality of Turritopsis dohrnii, the impenetrable armor of the ironclad beetle, and the ultimate survival skills of the tardigrade, we're about to witness nature's own version of the Justice League. So brace yourselves as we dive into the world of these extraordinary species, starting from number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the axolotl, a creature with a knack for literal self-healing. This remarkable species, known as the Mexican walking fish, is not actually a fish at all, but an amphibian. What sets the axolotl apart from most other creatures on Earth is its astonishing ability to regenerate. This isn't your everyday wound healing, oh no. We're talking about full-blown regeneration of entire body parts, including the heart and brain, without any scarring. Most animals, including us humans, heal wounds by creating scar tissue, which can lead to functional impairments. But the axolotl goes a step further. It can replace lost or damaged tissues with brand new ones that are identical to the original. Imagine losing a limb and growing it back like it never happened. That's the axolotl's everyday reality. But it's not just limbs. The axolotl can regenerate virtually any part of its body, including vital organs like the heart and even parts of its brain. If its spinal cord is injured, it will simply grow a new one. If a part of its heart is lost, it will regenerate it. It's like they have their own personal repair kit, ready to fix whatever gets broken. This incredible superpower has piqued the interest of scientists worldwide. They are trying to figure out how the axolotl does it, and if we can somehow apply this knowledge to human medicine. Imagine a world where organ transplants are obsolete because we can simply grow new ones. That's the potential we're talking about here. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. For now, the secrets of axolotl regeneration remain mostly locked away in their unique biology. But as we continue to study these fascinating creatures, who knows what we might discover? Imagine possessing the axolotl's superpower, the ability to heal oneself. Now let's move on to our number 4. At number 4, we have the Dracula ant, an insect faster than the blink of an eye. This tiny yet fascinating creature holds the record for the fastest movement in the entire animal kingdom. Now, what's so special about this ant, you may ask? Well, it's all about their jaw-snapping speed. You see, the Dracula ant can snap its jaws at speeds reaching up to 90 meters per second or 200 miles per hour. That's right, this ant's jaw movement is over 1,000 times faster than the snap of a human finger. This speed is so extreme that it's nearly impossible to see with the naked eye. But how does this superpower help the Dracula ant survive? Well, this lightning-fast jaw snap is not just a party trick. It's a crucial survival strategy. The Dracula ant uses this jaw snap to stun or kill its prey, giving it a significant advantage in the harsh world of insects. On top of that, this jaw speed also enables the Dracula ant to defend itself against larger predators. With a swift and powerful snap, the ant can deter or even injure potential threats, ensuring its survival in the wild. Faster than a speeding bullet, that's the Dracula ant for you. Let's discover what's at number 3. Number 3 on our list defies the very laws of life and death. Meet the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. Now, it's not often that we can use the term immortal in a literal sense, but when we're talking about Turritopsis dohrnii, it's the only word that fits the bill. This small, transparent sea creature found in the world's oceans is the only known animal that can revert its cells back to their earliest form, effectively granting it an endless lifespan. The process is like this. When the jellyfish is stressed or physically harmed, it transforms all of its existing cells into a younger state. This includes all of its muscle, nerve, and even reproductive cells. Once this transformation is complete, it starts its life cycle anew. In essence, it's a phoenix in the aquatic world, rising from its own ashes time and time again. But it's not just about living forever. This near-miraculous ability of Turritopsis dohrnii has profound implications. It's a biological wonder that challenges our understanding of the very nature of life. Scientists across the globe are studying this phenomenon with the hope to shed light on the process of aging and potentially unlock secrets that could lead to breakthroughs in human medicine. However, let's not get carried away. While it's true that Turritopsis dohrnii can theoretically live forever, it's not invincible. They are susceptible to disease and predation, so their immortality is not absolute, but relative to the natural dangers they face. Yet the fact that a creature can reverse its life cycle and start anew is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a testament to the ingenuity of nature and evolution, and a reminder that there's still so much we don't know about the world around us. Defeating death itself, that's the Turritopsis dohrnii for you. But what could top immortality? Let's find out at number 2. At number 2, we have the ironclad beetle, a creature that's virtually indestructible. Now, when we say this beetle is tough, we're not talking about your everyday garden variety of toughness. No, sir. The ironclad beetle possesses an exoskeleton so strong it's like a tiny six-legged tank. This incredible creature can withstand a force of pressure that's equivalent to a car running over it. Imagine being able to shrug off a car's weight like it's just another day at the office. That's the life of an ironclad beetle. But how did this beetle come to develop such an extraordinary armor? Well, it's all about survival. In the wild, the name of the game is adapt or perish. The ironclad beetle's ancestors must have faced some serious threats to evolve such a rugged shield. This super tough exoskeleton not only protects the beetle from predators, but also from harsh environmental conditions. It's a clear case of survival of the fittest, and the ironclad beetle is definitely fit to survive. This creature is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. Each species has its own unique superpowers, honed by millions of years of evolution. An invincible beetle, truly extraordinary. But even this can't top our number 1. Let's reveal the champion. And finally, at number 1, we have the tardigrade, the ultimate survivor. This tiny creature, often affectionately referred to as a water bear, is renowned for its astounding resilience. They've been known to withstand conditions that would be fatal to most life forms. From the coldest temperatures in the universe, on par with absolute zero, to the scorching heat of over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. But it doesn't stop there. The tardigrade can survive in the vacuum of space without any form of protection. It can endure the extreme pressures of the deepest ocean trenches and even resist substantial amounts of radiation. This superpower of survival isn't just impressive, it's downright unparalleled on our planet. The tardigrade's ability to withstand these extreme conditions earns it the title of the most resilient creature on Earth. A tiny, almost invisible animal with the superpower of ultimate survival. The tardigrade, a tiny creature with gigantic resilience. It's a marvel how such superpowers exist in the real world, isn't it?